How to fix account disabled on Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as the channel is really small and every subscription helps the channel grow. Please subscribe. Now let's head to the video. So it's very quick and simple. If your account is disabled or suspended, you have to open your Google or Chrome browser, whichever you have on your phone, and you have to search Pinterest suspended. Once you search that, this page will show up. You have to click on account suspension. Once that page opens, you'll find your multiple options. You have to scroll down on how it works, community guidelines and everything, but you have to scroll down, and here you'll find an option of appealing an account suspension, and here you'll find an option of get in touch with us. Once you click on it, it will ask your first name, last name, user ID of your suspended account, your email address, do you have access to your email. It will ask all the details, and then it will ask you for what exact problem was it suspended, and you have to write a good summary on based. Mostly you have to write ki accidentally some problems happened, and I spammed the account by mistake, or my account was hacked. Once you fill such a summary that my account was hacked by someone else, your account will automatically be disabled in few days. So the best example to use is my account has been hacked. So that's how Pinterest will disable your account. It will recover your account and give it back to you. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.